the door. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh.
Put his little hood on. The ears are so cute.
Hey.
Be careful, you'll slip on the floor.
I'm gonna get you.
Dixie, what did you get into that you're not supposed to?
Ooh. Can you say I love you?
Good boy.
I love you. What's a lion say? What's a lion say? What's a doggy say? What's a kitty say? What's a cow say?
You forgot.
What's a race car say? What's a race car say?
Brendan, what's the cow say? Good boy.
What's mama say?
Brendan, can you say grandma? Can you say auntie? Oh, good job. Can you say mama? Can you say dada? Try again. Can you say dada?
Dad?
Can you say grandpa?
Yeah.
Can you say dada?
Can you say Dixie? Can you say copper?
Can you say Cody? How about buddy? Hey, settle down.
Can you say I farted? What's a race car say? What's a race car say?
Dixie wants you to throw the ball for her.
You want to throw the ball for D? Drop it. You want to throw the ball for Dix? Throw Dixie the ball. Throw it. Throw it, bud.
Cody, Copper, settle down.
Here, look. 1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Here, you can throw it standing up, can't you? Oh! Whoa! You want to throw Dixie the ball? Yeah, come throw her the ball. Oh! Here, throw Dixie the ball. Oops! Throw it. Brendan, look. Look at Daddy. Throw the ball. Here. Your turn.
Throw it
Throw
for
it.
her. Don't eat it, yucky.
Throw the ball.
Yay!
That was a poor throw.
Brendan, can you clap? Yeah. Where you going?